Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating benefits of watercress. What exactly is watercress? It's a leafy green vegetable that's commonly grown in Europe and Asia. Despite its delicate appearance, it is a nutrient-dense vegetable that provides an array of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. First and foremost, it is incredibly low in calories, making it a fantastic addition to a balanced and calorie-conscious diet. It's also rich in dietary fiber. When it comes to vitamins, it is an excellent source of vitamin A and is also packed with vitamin C. In fact, it contains more vitamin C than oranges. It is also a great source of vitamin K and folate. It contains iron and calcium. It is loaded with powerful antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and lutein, which are essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. But before we continue, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please try to do it now and like the video. This can help YouTube show it to more people and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our interesting tips. Let's start this educational adventure. Now, let's look at the health benefits of watercress. Supports bone health. Did you know that this vegetable is a great ally for strong bones? It's rich in calcium and other minerals essential for maintaining healthy bone density. As we get older, we become susceptible to conditions like osteoporosis, but regular consumption of this green plant can help support bone health and reduce the risk of fractures. Boosts immunity. The vitamin C in watercress is well known for its immune-boosting properties. It stimulates the production of white blood cells and antibodies, helping your body defend against infections. Boosts energy levels. If you're looking to boost your energy levels, this vegetable can be a wonderful addition to your diet. It provides important vitamins and minerals, including iron, which is essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body and combating fatigue. Supports eye health. It contains antioxidants that help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts by filtering harmful high-energy light waves. Anti-inflammatory effects. It contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing chronic inflammation is linked to a lower risk of various chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. Supports heart health. Another significant benefit of this leafy green plant is its potential impact on heart health. It contains compounds that have been linked to reducing blood pressure levels and promoting healthy cardiovascular function. Therefore, including it in your diet may contribute to a lower risk of heart disease and improve your overall heart health. Aids in digestion. Its dietary fiber content aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting regular bowel movements. So, adding it to your meals can help prevent issues like constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Aids in weight management. Due to its low calorie content and high nutrient density, it is a valuable addition to a weight management plan. The fiber composition can help you feel full and satisfied, thus reducing the temptation to overeat. Prevents cancer. These compounds have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and promote their destruction. Regular consumption may contribute to reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, lung, colon, and prostate cancer. Nourishes the skin. The vitamin and antioxidant components can contribute to healthier, glowing skin. These nutrients combat oxidative stress and support collagen production, which is essential for skin elasticity. Supports detoxification. It is often praised for its detoxifying properties. It helps flush out toxins from the body through increased urine production. Additionally, it contains sulfur compounds that support liver function, aiding in the elimination of toxins and promoting a healthy liver. Hydration. As the name suggests, it has a high water content, which can help keep you hydrated. Staying hydrated is important for various bodily functions, including digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Are you wondering how to easily incorporate watercress into your diet? There are numerous delightful ways, and here are some fantastic ideas to help you get started. Add it to salads. One of the simplest ways to enjoy this vegetable is by adding it to salads. Its peppery and slightly bitter flavor can add a unique twist to your salad creations. Simply wash it and trim any tough stems. Then toss it with your favorite salad ingredients, such as tomatoes, cucumbers, and avocado. You can also try mixing it with other leafy vegetables for added variety and nutrition. Add it to sandwiches and wraps. Add it to your sandwiches or wraps along with your preferred fillings, such as grilled chicken, turkey, or hummus. Its crisp texture and distinct flavor can provide a refreshing and nutritious element to your favorite lunchtime staples. Mix it with soups and stews. It can be added to soups such as potato leek soup or mixed vegetable soup. Simply chop and stir it into the soup shortly before serving to retain its vibrant color and flavor. This will infuse your soup or stew with added vitamins and minerals. Blend it into smoothies. Its mild peppery flavor can blend well with fruits and vegetables, adding a nutritious boost to your morning or post-workout smoothie. Combine it with ingredients like spinach, banana, pineapple, and coconut water for a refreshing and nutrient-packed smoothie. Stir-fries and sautéed dishes. Add it to stir-fries or sauté it with other vegetables for a quick and healthy side dish. Its tender leaves will wilt down quickly, so it's best to add it towards the end of the cooking process to retain its vibrant color and nutritional value. Juices and green drinks. If you have a juicer or a blender, you can create nutrient-packed juices and green drinks. Blend it with cucumber, apple, lemon, and ginger for a cleansing and revitalizing beverage. These are just a few ways to incorporate watercress into your diet. Feel free to explore other methods to enjoy it. Storage methods. Put it in a plastic bag or a container lined with a damp paper towel and store it in a refrigerator to maintain freshness. Consume it within a few days to ensure optimal taste and nutritional value. Are there any potential side effects to consider? Absolutely. It's essential to be aware of certain safety precautions before adding this nourishing leafy vegetable to your diet. Here are some important points to keep in mind. Allergies. Some individuals may experience mild allergic symptoms, such as itching or hives, or severe symptoms, such as difficulty breathing. If you are allergic to other cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or mustard, kindly be cautious when incorporating this vegetable into your diet. Bacterial contamination. Since it is often grown in water, there can be a risk of bacterial contamination, particularly if harvested from natural water sources. So, always wash it thoroughly before consumption to reduce the risk of foodborne illness. Kidney stones. It is high in oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. If you have a history of kidney stones or are prone to them, you may want to limit your intake level. Goitrogens. Just like other cruciferous vegetables, it contains compounds known as goitrogens. These compounds can interfere with thyroid function when consumed in large amounts. While this is generally not a concern for most people, individuals with thyroid conditions should consume it in moderation and consult their healthcare provider if they have concerns. Medication interactions. It may interact with certain medications. For example, it contains vitamin K, which can interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin. If you are taking medications that can be affected by dietary vitamin K, kindly limit your consumption of watercress. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, consulting with a healthcare provider or a registered dietitian can help determine the most suitable dietary choices for your needs. the incredible health benefits of watercress. But before we wrap up, I want to thank you all for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions or comments about any other health-related topics, please feel free to leave them down below. We love hearing from you. We hope you found this video useful and instructive. If you would like us to do a video on any topic about weight loss or nutrition, leave us a message in the comments and we will do it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and see you next time. See you in the next video.